Yebo ingane zawethu impela sibona lapha ngoBrown Mogotsi ke bheke ngamehlo abuvu ukuyovela phana ke kwikhomishini ke kaMadlanga nje bayithi cha impela ke makabe sefe khona kufuna ukuthi ke impela ke abhodle ke konke ke khuluma ke ewonke ke amaqiniso uthi hey kudala ke impela ke lento ke ehlezi ke nayo futhi ke kudala ke abantu ke beloko bemkhomba ke ngayo ke imina kodwa ke mangaba ke sefikile phana ke uzofike ke ageqe wona ke amagula bafethu ke ngaphana basikhuluma kakhulu la kweMbuso City MTV ake sinchile yona ke le inkulumo ke kaBrown Mogotsi ke ethi yeyi ukuvela kwakhe phana kwiMadlanga ke uyofike ke asaphazise ke abeke ke yonke ke into ke ubala ake nizwele
so that they can be free now, so that they can say, oh, abantu kudala bandihlupha lapha, so that they can be free because they went to his house. Remember, I'm going to the commission. A lot is coming. Mona ntate Xoli kukhala amadoda uzonibona xa sendifikile phaya hola banna. Let me tell you, I will explain like bit by bit. Why was it important for me to inform Cat? In one of the radio stations, I said, if Cat was able to fund the ANC January 8th with 100,000, whatever, don't you think he has told me who else has he given money to? Who else? Because now they're making Brown Mogotsi and they're talking about this 138,000 for the January 8th. Yeah. A lot is coming. Yes, right. A lot is coming. We're going to give you a extension. I've requested extension, at least it's been granted. It means in a week or two, I'll be in Madlanga community.